Personalizing spatial audio on your iPhone. 16 enhances your audio experience by tailoring the sound to the unique shape of your ears, providing a more immersive and realistic listening environment. Here's how it's done. To get started, head over to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the display. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Next, scroll to the bottom section and tap on Personalize Spatial Audio. In the succeeding window, tap on Personalize Spatial Audio again. A setup wizard will load up next. Tap Continue. Follow the on-screen instructions to capture your face. Position your face in the camera frame. You may need to move your head in a circle to show all angles of your face. Then tap Continue when done. Next, capture your right ear. Once you're finished, tap Done to complete the process. You'll see a confirmation that you're now using personalized spatial audio. This feature uses advanced scanning technology to create a custom audio profile based on your ear shape. It significantly improves the rendering of spatial audio when using supported AirPods and Beats headphones with your Apple devices. The result is a more tailored, immersive sound experience that better replicates how you naturally hear sound in three-dimensional space. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.